Welcome back, guys. It's been a long time since I've seen you guys, for a hot minute, but we are at the Dim Sum Cafe and I'm waiting on my boys. We got the Oleka Grub Squad on the way and we're about to get some dim sum, babies. Let's get it.
Oleka eats.
Oleka Grubs or what?
Oh, yeah,
Whatever. I feel like Asa is just the main character. She's the one who stars in the fucking vlogs.
Today we're eating Chinese dim sum.
Alright, tell me the history of dim sum.
Shit.
In the 1800s. No, I'm just kidding.
It just tastes good.
Well, I was prepared.
It just tastes good.
Where's Danny then?
Hey, get your
Yo, what's up? Hey, you came here for the vlogs, bro. What's up? So it's a vibe.
Is it a vlog?
It's a vlog.
Go to a place and
Hello. Oh, look at this. He's so cute.
What you doing, bro? What's good, baby?
Alright, if y'all don't know who Danny is, Danny's the cutie of the group, honestly.
It's honestly Brett, man.
Oh. And he be pulling, bro.
Now here's the menu.
Oh.
We're gonna order everything. Oh, steamed bun.
Steamed buns.
I know. That's what
I feel like the baked barbecue bun would be pretty good.
Wait, have you guys eaten here?
Oh, this is the dessert.
You want to try the baked barbecue pork?
Yeah, just get
Okay, we'll get the baked barbecue pork bun, steamed chicken bun, steamed chicken feet.
I like how the most Asianist
Chinese
one.
sausage bun, rice.
You guys want to try shark fin?
I'm down.
I'm with it.
Well, you can't eat shark fin? Why can't you eat shark?
That's
We'll try the shark. Well, I don't know, man.
That's his amakua.
What's the amakua? What's the amakua?
It's like a spirit animal in Hawaii. Like your amakua is your spirit.
Hey Mark, what you want?
You get this. What is that? The Vari-Angle. I don't know if I said it right. Grip that.
Alright, talk. Danny, I feel like you lead in the group with the food. What you eating, my guy?
This is the barbecue pork bun. I'm gonna have some of these shumais here. These are looking pretty fucking fire.
What is that, my guy?
I don't know, Brett. What is this?
So that's sugar cane shrimp.
Well, what you eating over there, my guy?
Hey, bro. Chicken feet dog. This is shit.
And some Vari-Angle. I hope I said that right.
That's that feet.
You
You guys like feet? It's right here.
Confirmed.
cut. So is that the shrimp right there, my guy?
I think it is.
That's a shrimp shumai.
Yeah. Shrimp shumai, bro. Good.
Arthur, what you eating?
Leblanc.
What's that?
Chinese sausage with this nice bun.
now.
Fucks with this.
So nice.
It is shrimp wrapped in rice noodles.
That looked like
Wrapped in nasi noodle.
Is it good?
Yeah.
That shrimp?
It's just shrimp.
Yo, that shit, it is smacks, bros. I'm telling you.
Was it 4
4 out of 5.
4 out of 5. 4.33 out of 5.
That's
Oh, really?
Google rating is 4.